Let's go. Hi guys, it's your girl Jessie Q here and welcome to another video on my channel. So as you guys can see today, I am really excited just because something awesome has happened. I don't know if you guys remember, but recently I was able to do a subscription box unboxing, I guess we can say, with Product Junkie TT, and today I'm so happy to present another subscription box unboxing. Today the company that I will be reviewing is KSHH BBTT. That is KSHH Beauty Box TT. I reached out to them, you know, wanting to collaborate, especially on the heels of the previous box that I would have done, and they agreed, and the kind people at KSHH sent me this entire package so that I can review it for you guys. So I am going to be opening this and you are going to get to see my first reactions, and then if there's anything for us to try out, I'm going to do that as well, and I'm going to be very open and honest with you guys. I'm so grateful to the guys at KSHH. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know if it's supposed to be I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, but I'll call it KSHH for the purpose of this video. I am really excited to be getting into this, so without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so inside it, this is what we have. We have some styrofoam covering. So before I open this up, let me just give you all some information about KSHH. Alright, so they have various boxes / bags that they do, and they have a lot of different things that they offer, as well as they have different themes and different boxes for different days, right? So my box, or package I should say, came with the Wacky Wednesday goodies bag, which is a $60 value, and that is available on Wednesdays. It also came with the discreet goodies bag, which is an $85 value, that's available on Tuesdays, and it features 3 panty styles. And it also came with the gem box goodies bag, that is a $100 value, that is available on Thursday. Right, they reached out to me on Monday to let me know that the box was going to be shipped, and by Tuesday I got the call from TT Post letting me know that the box was available and they were outside, basically. So that was really fast, that was really efficient, and I was really happy for that as well. So that is, you know, a plus if you ask me. They are based in Tobago, which is really cool to see something, you know, coming out of the sister eye like that. I thought that was pretty cool, and it was really pleasant people that I was dealing with, and also very good customer service. All right, so this is what my box looks like, and it has their branding on it that just says KSHH Beauty. The secret is in the box. So this is what it looks like. You can see its size in comparison to my head. So you can see just how big it is. I don't have that big of a head. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, we have some nice wrapping paper. Oh boy, this is really pretty. All right, so we just have the bill from the transaction that will be included in your box as well. KSHH has a beauty box, a discreet box, a beast box, and a gem box, and they just have it ticked off whichever ones that you are receiving on your bill. So that's really good. They have a breakdown of the prices and all of that, and your address and telephone information that you would have given to them. Then they have this little card that has their information and their socials, and also a 10% coupon. So this is what it looks like. And the back. So this is really cool. For your next purchase, you get a 10% coupon just for purchasing the first time. All right, so let's get into the various bags. So the first one we have is the gem box bag. So let's open this up. Fancy. Okay, so this comes with 3 things inside of it. The first one are these earrings, and these are Primark earrings. So they're just these black tassel and gem earrings, and I'm really into tassels these days. I recently bought like about 4 of them. So I'm really happy to see this because this is something I would actually wear. Next thing we have are these ear cuffs, which I really like. These are very cute, and actually I might choose to put this in my hair as opposed to my ear. I guess you can use them for whatever you want to use them for. So these are what they look like. They come with 6 different ear cuffs, and I'm really happy with this as well. This is really cute. And then the final jewelry piece is this baby choker. It seems to be some sort of metallic animal print, which is really pretty as well. I'm really pleased with these things, to be very honest. These are all things that I would actually wear. I know in the process of ordering and organizing, she asked me a lot about my preferences, and she seemed to have taken it into consideration when choosing these things. So I'm very grateful for that, and that is definitely a tick in my book. All right, so that was the gem box. That was the gem box bag. So now let's go into their Wacky Wednesday bag. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, very cool. So let's open this up. So this one, already by the name, you can tell that this one is going to be makeup. There's a little lipstick on the package. So let's open it up. Alright, so let's do this one by one. There's quite a few things in here. So the first one we have is this Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. And this is what it looks like. So it seems to be a lip tint. And this is in the color Pink IRL Rose. So yeah, this is definitely something that I will try. Actually, let's just open it up and try it now. Why don't we? And these things are all sealed like they're supposed to be, which is always a plus. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I haven't been able to take off the entire packaging, but this is what it looks like. So let's see how this works. It seems like we turn it. Alright, so we turn it, and then as you can see, it's starting to sprout a little bit of color. So I'm just going to take this and rub it on my lips, and let's see how this works. Alright, so that was the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. That's pretty cool. I have been looking for a proper lip gloss for a while with a nice tint that isn't too greasy, just because I have oily skin, so I don't want to totally look like a fry bake, you know, but I do want a little bit of a tint, and this seems to be really good actually. So this is actually something that I would use because I really like this color on me, and the moisture of the balm slash gloss isn't too much for my already oily skin. So this is the first item. The second item is this AOA Studio Oh Honey, and this seems to be another lip gloss. This one is definitely glossy. So I'm not going to open this one just yet, but this is what it looks like. And this one is definitely a lip gloss. So yeah, this is the second item. The third item is this Amuse, I believe is the name of the company. Amuse lip gloss in this really nice pink color. It has this little jewel detail around it. So this is what it looks like. And it's almost a reddish pink. So I'm just gonna put it on because I can. All right, and that is what this looks like. Yes. All right, so that is this product, and let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, so the next one is this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in beautiful browns, and it comes with a base, lid, crease and line shadow. So this is what it looks like. That's it right there. And this is something that I will certainly try. Now, I'm not very big on eyeshadows, but I do like nice neutrals like this, you know, just to create a nice nude look. So this is something I will certainly try, and if I am in love with it, then I will definitely use on a regular basis. So I'm actually excited for this one. Yes, I get a mascara! Alright, Ollie, sorry. But the next item is this e.l.f. volumizing mascara in black, and I am a sucker for mascara. You can never have too much mascara, just because these days I don't wear that much makeup and I don't do my eyelashes anymore because of it. So I am absolutely a sucker for mascara. I've always been a sucker for mascara. Sometimes I will wear mascara and nothing else. No eyeshadow, no foundation, no eyebrows, nothing, because I just love the look of beautifully volumized eyelashes, hunty. So I am really excited for this. If it is everything that I hope that it is definitely going to be added to my normal rotation of my daily makeup looks. Yes. Okay, so those were all of the items from the Wacky Wednesday bag, and again, this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm really excited. I'm really happy for the items that I got. I feel like I got some really cool items, and it's all things that I'm very excited to use. So last but not least, let's get into the final bag, which is the discreet box. And this says the secret is in the box, KSHH discreet box. And this one I already know is going to be some really cute underwear, so I'm really excited because these days Ollie are getting married, so I am collecting very nice underwear. I'm just saying, okay? Okay. So we're just gonna open it up here. Alright, so first of all, it came with this little Summer's Eve, Simply Summer's Eve packet. It's a cleansing cloth, which is really cute. That's such a nice thing to add. I didn't expect this, and this is a really nice, thoughtful gesture. So this is really cute. This is what it looks like. I like this. Alright, so the three pieces of underwear that we got with this first maroon, not maroon, eggplant almost color. You know, that's what it looks like, and it has the little lace along the rim, which is really cute. So this is what the first one looks like, and I like it. It looks very comfortable. I hope it fits. I won't lie, it looks a little big. This is actually in a size medium, so I'm wondering if I should have told her a size small. If it doesn't fit, then that it was my fault because I told her a medium. We'll see. The second one, yes, is this very lacy white underwear. It is extremely cute, and it has this little mini corset in the front here. This is, oh, that's the back actually. Squeeze me, that is the back. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute, I love it. And the third one is this floral seamless panty, right? I would not lie, I am not into floral underwear, just because I actually love black everything. So every new underwear that I've bought has been black, so the majority of my underwear is black, just because I love black underwear. So there's a floral, I will wear it obviously, right? But it's just not necessarily my preference, but that's okay. I love this. This seems to be really nice and good quality, nice stretch, and I love that I got at least one, you know, seamless underwear, which is very important to have, right? So guys, that was all the items from the discreet box. And again, this is what the package looks like. And that was all of the items that came in the KSHH Beauty Box. Guys, I am so excited. I'm so happy for everything. I just want to give a big shout out to Keishel Gordon, who is the person that I was in contact with. I believe she's the owner of KSHH Beauty Box. Keishel, thank you so much for just partnering with me on this. I really wanted to do, you know, another video of this type, and I really just wanted to try out some of the subscription boxes that we have available in Trinidad and Tobago. So I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for your partnership, Keishel, and for believing in me and allowing me to review this for my wonderful followers. To my wonderful followers, I just want to encourage you guys to go out and really support local. I am going to leave all the information for KSHH in the description box below, and I'll also put it on the screen right now so that you guys can go and follow them on Instagram, get their number, contact them, and you can try out these products for yourself. As I said before, they do have more boxes available. They also have some sort of a birthday thing which you can customize for your loved one. I love that. I don't have all the information on it, but I have seen it on Instagram because I do follow them on Instagram, and it looks to be really cool, really interesting, and a really thoughtful and different kind of gift. And guys, you know that I'm always here for thoughtful and alternative gifting, right? So please go and check them out. One thing that they also have, they have a lot of makeup, and that is one of the things that I saw first of all that I was really excited about. They have some Juvia's Place palettes, they have some ColourPop palettes. Guys, they have so many different things, and I think it's really cool and really great that they're even offering these things. The prices vary and you can customize certain things to your liking. So guys, please check them out. Again, to Keishel and the guys at KSHH Beauty Box, I am so grateful for this opportunity. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative to you. And until the next time, namaste babies. Bye.